when I say, oh baby, baby. Kalapit kami sa Santa Cruz. Ano ba, ano yon? Bayan? Anong bayan yon? Kami sa Santa Rosa. Na 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 na. Hi, 7 viewers. Hello. Thank you for coming, everyone. I love you, baby. Oh, yes, I know that. Mohon. Liliw, Laguna. Ayan, maulan ba dyan? Ah, dito, tingnan mo. Makulimlim. Don't forget to double tap your screen. No, baby, baby. Ate, gumagawa ka pa rin ba ng ice candy kahit naulan na? Ate Lynn? You still making ice, ano? You still making ice candy? Since it's raining? Why you stop uploading videos, Kuya Gebs? You should upload more, Kuya. I think some streams should have ratings like PG for example. Yeah. Yes, Kuya, no? I think it should have. Nasa US po ako ngayon, but I was born in the Philippines. Oh! Nag-ano ka ba dyan? Nagtatrabaho ka or are you working there or you are living there? Or nag-asawa ka ba dyan? Yes, Kuya. You should upload more and then you should try to do live stream, Kuya Gibbs. Are you still there, Falcon? I live and work here. Oh, matagal ka na ba dyan? Matagal ka na nag-ano dyan? Should I, Sir Ryan? Na, 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 na. Hi, welcome back, Atilin. Are you still, Atilin? Are you still making ice candy? Nagawa ka pa rin ng ice candy, Atilin, kahit maulan na yung panahon natin. Ryan, 30 years. Oh, matagal na. Wow. Hindi ka pa ba nakakabakasyon ulit dito sa Pinas? Ryan? Hindi na. Oo, kasi maulan na ate, no? Maulan na kasi.